What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back on the E46 today. We're gonna fix some of this interior. So you guys saw the silver interior we've got. You know, I've broken some panels, or one panel. I managed to get hold of a fairly well priced piano black full interior. So we're gonna get in today, pull it apart and change it. So all of that silver, that wrapped behind the stereo, driver's side under the vent, that handle over there, and the two back ones. And also this broken piece in the middle, we're gonna whip out and replace it with a beautiful piano black trim. Let's get it. All right, I'm sorry. I got too excited and I replaced this piece, but oh, it looks so much better. So as you can see, this is the old piece, and that down there is broken, and there should have been something here as well that looked the same. That was broken. Because those were broken, all of this panel here was loose. So now fits beautiful. I'm just going to give it a wipe down because the old piano black does get dirty pretty quickly with the old fingerprints, but that looks beautiful. Now I definitely need something here to make it look prettier, but I saw that when I took this off, the two clips for that are broken as well. So when I pull this out, it looks like this doesn't actually like clip in. So I'm just going to get the M3 replacement, and hopefully this is in a better condition. If it's not, then I will replace that. Or I'll put like a carbon cover over that. But as you can see up here, we're missing all of these. Beautiful, beautiful. It's okay. eBay 10 bucks, whole bunch of replacements. So I'm going to have a new one in every single hole. And that's exactly what we want. So sorry, I did pull that out, but literally that's just like trim piece, pull this piece out, then you can pull that one out. Now, fun note, let me show you. On the back of this piece, normally there is a ridge there. You can see that I have butchered it. I have to cut it out. I need to get a razor blade and cut it out of the new one as well, because for me to install this behind this big boy screen, you actually have to, I'm putting that in backwards, so that's never gonna go in. You have to slide it in like that. Oh, it's hard to do with one hand. You slide it in behind there, and once it slides in, you just roll it like that, and then you can clip it in place. Without doing this modification, you won't get it behind there, and you'd have to like have it half screwed in kind of thing, half unscrewed. It'd be weird. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. It makes no difference. It will all still clip in exactly the same as it did before, but it'll actually fit. So I'm gonna go modify that, put all these new clips in, and then continue. Just a little side note, I want to show everyone how to get these bad boys in, because they are a little bit of a pain. So you got that on the back, right? And it's only top and bottom. And you put it in kind of like that top corner, and then the bottom goes in here. You give it a little bit of a tap. I'll see if I can do it on camera with one hand. Oh, like that. Nice. And then what you do is you get your pliers, and you just give it a 90-degree turn, because it's narrower. Where's the hole? Well, you can see it there. It's an oval like that. So once you turn it, the tabs are either side, and it will hold it much better. I'm actually even gonna rip out this one and this one, because they're just a bit how you going, and I've got like a, I don't know, whole pack of 20 or something. So they're all gonna be fresh babies. All right, this one's fairly simple. Just pry tool under here, pop it out. As you can see on the new piece, pin. I am going to rip out the old holders, even if they're good, just so replace them with new ones. Why not? You know, we're in there. And I don't plan on pulling this out for a while, although it actually may come out because I have something else going in here. Let's get it done. Oh man, does that look so good. I am actually so happy with this little trim upgrade. Oh baby. All right, now we're gonna have to pull the door cards off, get these handles off, and pull the back panels off, and pull those armrests off. So let's do that. Right, you all probably know this, but to get this door card off, you've got one T20 Torx bit there, one there, one there, one there, and one behind the airbag label. So what's that, 5? And then it's literally just pull pins all the way around, and on the top as well it pulls this way, so don't try and pull it up like Japanese cars and stuff. It just comes straight out. It's really easy. And then to change these, it was 3 T20 Torx there, and then 1, 2, 3 on the back there. So it's really simple. Oh, and this had to pop out, but you know, that was literally just pushed out, pulled the 2 electrical plugs off the back. So yeah, I'm stoked. That looks incredible. Oh man, I'm so much happier with that. So I'll show you how to do the back ones as well. All right, and there's our final product there. I'm loving it. Oh man, they look so good. Little sneaky one in the background of the front door handle. Okay, so to get the back handle out, or the back panel out, you've got T20 Torx there, T20 Torx there. You've got to pop that little airbag sign out, and there's a T20 kind of facing on an angle forwards there. And then it's just kind of pull everything forward. You got to remove your seats to do it. You can do it without it, but you're going to damage stuff, you're going to break your clips. And then it is 5 T20 Torx bits on the back of the handle. Replace it, done. Put it all back in. Easy job, easy boys. All right guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. I'm actually super stoked with that. It's come up really nice. I've always had like the trim next to the head unit. It was always kind of a little bit off because the clips there weren't the greatest. So now that all the clips are replaced, everything's all fixed, everything's tidy. I've got some really big plans coming for when we do the swap for the shifter options, stuff like that. So I wanted that to be fixed. And I feel like the silver didn't really match. It matched when the car was silver, but now the car's like that Nardo gray.
It's gray. Gray, I would call it blue, okay?
It's gray.
All right, it's blue-gray, but it's certainly not black, right? All right. Let's say it's gray, but it's not...
It is gray.
I still don't know what we're going to call it because it's not Nardo grey, but now that it's that color, I don't think it matches. The black matches much nicer, and yeah, I'm really stoked with it. So that's one thing ticked off the list of things that are wrong with it that's now fixed, and I've got a whole bunch of other things coming. I'm actually looking at something that I'm halfway through right now because I did some stuffing up with ordering. So I'm halfway through one job, but you guys will see it soon. If you want a little bit of a sneak peek, jump on the Letterlegion Facebook page. All cars welcome, all bikes welcome, all vehicles welcome. Absolutely everything is welcome in that page. So if you want to jump on, share your ride, jump in there. Apart from that, please like the video. You don't have to subscribe. I mean, obviously I want you to because I need to get my numbers up to try and get some sponsors and stuff like that. But only hang around if you want to hang around. If you want to like the video to help me out, if this has helped you out, if it's been entertaining, that would be amazing. But apart from that, guys, I will see you in the next one. See you guys.